It's for your sake. Do not ever take whole milk again. In today's video we will cite several banned foods if you have cholesterol. Although, without having any disease, you should not take them, or at least very rarely or moderate their consumption. 1. Trans fats. Trans fats are fats found in highly processed foods, such as butter, baked sweets and fries. Trans fats not only increase LDL or bad cholesterol, but also lower HDL, or good cholesterol, making it a particular bad choice. To find the hydrogenated fats in the products you buy, read the labels and look for words like partially hydrogenated oil. 2. Fast food restaurant. In fast foods most of the forbidden foods are combined into one dish. As you ask one dietitian or another, you should keep your cholesterol intake to no more than 200 milligrams per day. A double hamburger from Burger King Whopper contains 160 milligrams, while quarter of a pound with McDonald's cheese contains 95 milligrams. Although fish is low in cholesterol, many fish-based fast food dishes contain sauces or other supplements that make them have high cholesterol. For example, McDonald's Filet-O-Fish contains 50 milligrams of cholesterol. 3. Whole milk. Whole milk contains high amounts of cholesterol and saturated fats. Whole milk is not necessary for a healthy diet, and you can get the same beneficial nutrients, without the unhealthy aspects, from non-fat milk or soy milk. 4. Bacon and bacon fat. Bacon offers little nutritional value. Bacon, which is often used to cook vegetables, contains high amounts of saturated fats and cholesterol that raises cholesterol in your diet. I ask 3.